Good day, everyone. Welcome to our summer upskilling class. So, before we proceed, kindly scan the code and tell us how you feel. And are you happy or sad? Okay, thank you for the response. Ayan. So, today, we're gonna learn all about Google Class creation, understand the step-by-step process, create a new virtual classroom, set details like the name, subject, section, add announcement and materials, and facilitate class or student joining. Next, we're gonna have the Canva code, obtain a class access code, input verify the Canva code, unlock premium designs, features, and templates, join Canva for the education team, and start collaborating with other people or your students themselves. Ayan. Now let's have our Google Classroom. So on the upper right, scroll down and click the Google Classroom. Then you will be redirected in it. So you just have to click the plus sign on the top right part of our screen. And then you're just gonna click it if you're gonna join or create a class. Ayan. So for me, I'm gonna create a class. So I already read this. So read it before you click it. Then you kindly type in the information of your class. Just for example, the name, section, what grade, subject, and room. You may put your Google Meet classroom, your scheduled Google Meet classroom. It's up to you. Okay, after typing in all the informations, you may now create a class and it will be shown in our dashboard, yan, on our screen. Yan, and then you may create your own announcement. Yan. So, but in order to join, we have the class code. Also, we have the link. Yan. So, there are many ways in order to join the class. So, you may also have your announcements here. Yan. So you can welcome your class and type in some announcement, projects, and groupings or upcoming events. And then we have here the classwork. You may put different kinds like assessment. And that's it. You may see the people, the students in your class or the teachers in your class. So that's it with our Google Classroom. Next, let's have the Canva or the magic layer of Canva. So that is their new feature. You're just gonna upload the photo. So yung photo, if for example, your principal or your supervisor said, oh no, gusto ko yung 2022 na certificate, but you were not able to have the outline itself or the layout, the raw one. So you can have this magic layer wherein you're just gonna upload it to Canva. Ayan, look at that. So isang buong picture siya. Yan, you can move it around, isang set siya. But with the help of the magic layer, you can have or you can drag or you can edit them all. So pwede na natin gawin na change it to 2022 to 2026. That is how amazing magic layer is. Yeah. Next. So we also have the Learn Grid. Canva also have a Learn Grid or we call it the bank of resources. They have English, science, math, social studies, and others. So these are all created by other teachers na. So these are uh, built-in, built-in PowerPoints. You're just gonna choose and alter each PowerPoint according to your students. So I choose the solar system. Yeah, so these PowerPoints already have outlines. So they have already have the informations you needed. You're just gonna alter it according to the lesson of your class. So also we can put some assessments or wrap up or warm up. Yeah, and so you may have the different kinds of we have different kinds here in elements. We will be using the forms. So forms, meron na siyang mga built-in, you can use it. Yan. So as introduction, you may put this yan, you may alter this one. You have the short answers if you want them to explain how they feel, just like that. And why they are happy or why are they sad for the day. Yeah. So this is how we uh, do the Canva code on the upper right, share, scroll down kapag di makita, ellipsis, and then you should write HTTPS in order to generate a code. So we need that kasi kapag walang HTTPS, we will not be able to generate the code. Yan. So let's proceed. Let's generate the code. Yan. Let's type in the HTTPS and then it will be downloaded or generate. And then you need to download it. And let's download this. And one feature or one beautiful feature of the Go Canva, you just need to drag and drop. So you makikita mo lang yung plus sign and copy and then release the pressing. So yan, there's our code and that's it. That's how easy it is, just like what we did nung umpisa natin ng class natin today. So yan. Also, at the end of the lesson, you can have assessments. Yan. So also at the end of the lesson, you can have another one. Of course, to check your students' knowledge or learnings, you can have assessment at the end, which is true or false according to your lessons. Yeah, so you have true or false, short answers, poll, yeah. So you may alter the questions and you can also click the answer. Yan, you already have the answer, click mo lang yan. And then that will be the answer. So live po siya na nag-edit. So while you are typing in, it is already shown on the screen. That is how amazing our Canva is. Hindi siya yung i-input mo muna lahat bago mo makikita yung output. And that's it. So to create a code again, click the share and then scroll down. If you can see it, click the ellipsis and then click the code or QR code. And so again, generate the code with HTTPS colon slash slash. And then generate and then download the code. And of course, again, the beautiful feature of Canva, drag and drop. You can just drag and drop the picture, wait for the plus sign or copy sign. Yeah, plus copy sign and then release the button. So that's it. So you have your assessment, warm up, and your assessment at the end of your lessons. Yeah. So of course, one feature of Canva, you can share this directly to your class. You just need to scroll down and then you will be seeing the Google Classroom sa babas. And you can choose what class or which class are you gonna share this PowerPoint with and click it and then it will generate on its own yan. So you can create an announcement, ask question, but for me, let's create an announcement. And so you may tell your class, this will be our PowerPoint for the day. Yan. So you can tell them, and then you can share it to them. So we have other features sa baba. We have YouTube or links. They will have watch this video and send me a summary. So you can do that. So also you have links or Google site. You can do that. So you can publish and you will see. Yan, you can view it. Yan, kita mo kung paano makikita din ng yung mga students. Yan. So it's already in your class. That's how amazing our Google Workspace is. So we're done with our objectives, Canva, and Google Class. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, everyone. God bless.